So this iron was disassembled already. As you can see, the brand Oster and the hertz, the voltage and the watt. So what I'm going to basically do, we have a defective fuse, thermal fuse, right? And how this state to take out the fuse, would have to crimp both ends. But lucky enough, I found one same specs as this, alright, a thermostat with the fuse already connected. So all I need to do is just connect one end. So what I'm going to do, I just take this out like that, draw the sleeve one side, and then we'll just connect this end, alright, and then make the connection. So I'm going to test it and show you that the fuse is defective, but this thermostat is good, right? So I'm just going to just basically swap, alright, make it more easier process. So I'm going to test it and make it see it. Alright, so as you can see, meter is working. Put one in there and one in right here, and I'm going to turn the knob. Nothing. Alright, so I'm going to show you that the fuse is blown. Fuse is blown. Alright, so I'm going to connect it back on this red wire here. I'll connect it right here, and I'm going to turn the knob. Alright, so that is telling me that it's working. So what I'm going to do, as I said before, I'm going to just use this one, so I have just only one end to connect. See, this one connects, and I'm going to turn the knob. You saw it, and then I turn it off. Alright, so I'm just going to try and make the process more easier. Alright, so I'm just going to clip this end and just connect this end and just unscrew this screw here and screw this down. Alright, I'll put up the iron and test it, show you. Alright. Alright, so release the screw from here, take it out. Alright, and this one will drop in the space, as you can see. Alright, as you can see, the same information, KST254. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we want to clip this end. So as you can see, it's a 10 amp, alright, 10 amp fuse, 250 volts. Alright, so the sleeve that was on here, now it's going to, sorry about that guys, now we're going to come here just like that, and then make the connection there. Alright, so stay tuned for that. I'm just going to remove this clip here, alright, and make a connection and show you. Alright, alright, so you can see the connection was made right here. So I'm going to put the red clip there, alright, and I'm going to put the black clip here, and I'm going to turn the knob. Alright, so the fuse and the thermostat is working. Alright, and I'm going ahead and check the element, and the element is okay as well. So you can say that was a successful repair. So I'm going to put the sleeve over now here, just like that, and then put this under here to secure it. Alright, I don't know if you guys did catch that part. So what I did, I just push on the sleeve to cover the connection that I made here and secure it in this clamp. Alright, so we're going to fit up by the iron and let you see and test it. Alright, alright, so the water tank is going on. Alright, nicely, just like that. And we have 4 screws that will be holding down this water tank. Alright, so I'm just going to install these screws and let you see. Alright, as you can see, all 4 screws were put back. So now we're going to put on the other section of the iron, but before we do this, we're going to put on this knob here, secure it in that place, because if you do not, you cannot pass through. You cannot pass through here, so you have to put on this first. Alright, do like that. So you have 2 screws here, one here, one there, and one here and one there. Alright, alright, so you can see the screws were put back, and there's a little plastic thing with a spring must go back here. So when you turn the knob, you're supposed to hear that clicking sound. I'm going to show you. Alright, so this spring here and this plastic is supposed to go like this. Alright, and you put it right in here. So you put it right there so it can have that clicking sound, and this will be installed just like this. Everything should line up. Can barely hear that clicking sound. Probably the spring is worn out. Alright, so after that is installed, now we're going to put on this final piece over top here. Alright, just stay tuned for that. Before I put on this plastic piece, the indicator bulb should go on first. Alright, ensuring to secure that screw there. Alright, alright, so you can see everything was put back together. The knob here, we're going to put it on like that, just like that, and close it. Alright, right here now we're going to make the final connection with this cord. Alright, so this card now, as you can see, it was come from here. This is the neutral leg and this is the live. What happened now, why I'm going to change this card is because you can see this indication right here. Yes, it is not, I'm not going to use this back. Alright, it is unsafe. I test the card already and it tests okay, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use a different one, which is over here, which is test already, right? So you will see that in the process. So first, for this one, I'm going to find the neutral leg, which is this pin here. So just to find where the neutral leg is, right here, which, you get what I'm saying? So I'm going to do that. I'll let you see. Alright, alright, so now we're going to try and find the neutral leg of this wire. Alright, so I'm going to take one end of the meter lead, clip it there, and find which wire is a neutral. Alright, I'll come here, this is the neutral side, come here, nothing, this is the line, the live side, so this is neutral. So this side will connect on this neutral leg of the iron. Alright, so I'm just gonna do everything and then test the iron, let you see. Alright, alright, so you see it was taped up and everything. Alright, so now I'm going to put on the back cover now. As you can see, back cover, and then I'm going to put in the screw. Alright, put in the screw. And then now at the back, and then now we're going to test it with a meter to show you the work is complete. So one end here, on the other end right here, and we're going to turn it up. Alright, so as you can see, some light is in the background. Alright, so this is working, so now I'm going to plug it in and let you see. Alright, so I'm just going to plug it in the socket now. Alright, just plugged in, and we are going to turn it on. Alright, and you can see the indication light is on. Alright, so if you like this fix, let me know what you think of this repair, and you can see it trips out. Alright.